Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashish Kumar Vitta. I did my masters from NIT Warangal and I am working as a professional in product based company and I am two times GATE qualified. I was a technical trainer. I want to share my knowledge to all of you so that basically I want to teach you problem solving and programming. But before going to teach the problem solving, how to approach a problem and how to solve a problem, the logical thinking, I want to select a language to solve the problem. So that I choose the Python programming language. So first I will teach you the Python programming language and logical thinking to how to solve a problem. So if you are from different background, either you are a plus two candidate who completed your intermediate and want to start your career in BTech, or you are a BTech candidate who are going to attempt for a placements, or you are an MTech candidate, or you are a degree candidate, whether whatever the background you are from. So this course is for everyone. I thought from very scratch level, very basics level. So I will start from very basics level. So every 2 to 3 days, you can expect a video from me. And I have recorded a couple of videos. I will be posting in the next upcoming days. So I choose the language as Python programming language, and the course is mainly focused on problem solving. Whether if you got some XYZ problem, how to focus on the problem. So this is the main criteria of this entire series. Approximately I was planning some 100 videos. In upcoming videos I will tell you my plan, how I segregated the videos and everything. So this is the introduction. So if you have any doubts, you can comment. And some people may get doubt like why I chose Python. If you observe in these days, any all the institutions in every academic criteria, every academic schedules, they are putting the Python programming as prior. Before, usually they will teach at last semesters, but these days every first two semesters you people are getting Python programming language. So I choose the Python programming language as my source of language. And this, yeah, that's all about the course. And you people can start happily. I hope I cleared all my points. And my sincere request are only two requests. One request is, you please try to comment, okay, whatever the video it is coming from my end. If you want something improvement from my side, or you want something, for example, you want some video on this programming question, or else you want some video on some XYZ question, you just put a comment. Even if you want to feel like telling hi, just keep a message. Yeah, hi coding bro, like that. I will respond for the every comment. The comments are the only way, a form of communication between you and me. So I hope this video finds you well. And let's meet in the next video. Before going to that, please hit the subscribe button, because the algorithm of YouTube works. If more subscribes or more likes or more comments, then it will push to other people. And if you feel the course is good, please share with all of your friends and colleagues. Okay, it will help me a lot. And thank you. For my motivation, please give a comment like start or tell me hi, or else where you are belonging to. For example, if you are from some XYZ place, comment XYZ. If you are from some Mars, comment Mars. Okay, bye guys, meet you in the next video.